How to turn your old car into a smart car. What if you could take your old car, a car you've driven for years, and transform it into something that feels like it just rolled off the futuristic assembly line? Yes, you heard that right. Your old ride can become a smart car. No need for an expensive new vehicle to experience the latest automotive technology. Imagine having hands-free controls, advanced safety features, and cutting-edge connectivity all in your current car. It's all possible with a few simple upgrades. In today's video, we're going to show you 10 easy ways to turn your old car into a modern-day marvel. Stay tuned, because this isn't just about adding tech. It's about upgrading your entire driving experience. So buckle up, because by the end of this video, your car is going to feel like it's from the year 2050. 1. Install a complete smart car kit. Let's kick things off with the easiest way to transform your car into a smart car: a complete smart car kit. These kits have everything you need to add advanced features like smart mirrors, wireless charging, GPS, and even hands-free driving assistance. Think of it like giving your old car a tech upgrade without buying a whole new vehicle. You can control your car's functions with just your voice, park it automatically, and even monitor its health from your phone. Imagine your old car with futuristic features that make driving feel like you're in a high-tech luxury vehicle. If you want to make your car smarter in no time, this is your best starting point. Every great journey begins with one simple upgrade. 2. Upgrade your car with a self-parking system. Let's be real, parking can be a headache, especially in crowded lots or tight spaces. But with a self-parking system, you can leave the hassle behind. This system uses sensors and cameras to park your car automatically with just the push of a button. Whether it's parallel parking or squeezing into a narrow spot, your car will handle it all. You don't even need to touch the steering wheel. It's like having a personal valet that ensures your car parks perfectly every time. With this upgrade, parking becomes an effortless task, giving your old car a high-tech edge that even modern cars can't compete with. Park like a pro. Your car knows how. 3. Upgrade to a smart tire pressure monitoring system. Tire pressure is a key factor in vehicle safety and efficiency. Smart tire pressure monitoring systems take this to the next level by alerting you when the pressure is low or if there's a leak in your tire. These systems connect directly to your smartphone, providing real-time updates on your tire health. By staying on top of tire pressure, you'll not only avoid dangerous blowouts, but also improve your car's fuel efficiency. It's a small upgrade that goes a long way in terms of safety and performance. A smart tire pressure system is the perfect addition to any car, ensuring that every part of your vehicle is performing at its best. Safety is in the details. Don't overlook the small things. 4th, upgrade to a smart car alarm system. In today's world, car theft is a real concern, but with a smart car alarm system, you'll never have to worry. These systems go beyond the traditional beep and honk. They offer GPS tracking, real-time alerts, and even remote locking capabilities. If your car is ever tampered with, you'll receive an instant alert on your phone. Some systems even allow you to track your vehicle's location, giving you peace of mind whether you're at home or miles away. By upgrading your alarm system to a smart version, you're not only enhancing your car's security, you're also making it more modern and advanced. It's one of those upgrades that adds instant value and protection. Your car deserves the best protection. Be a step ahead. 5. Add adaptive headlights. Driving at night can be tricky, but with adaptive headlights, it's a whole different experience. These headlights adjust based on your speed, steering direction, and road conditions. Whether you're turning a corner or driving on an unfamiliar road, the lights follow your movements, illuminating the road in front of you. Adaptive headlights make driving at night safer and more comfortable by improving visibility. Plus, they give your car that high-tech look and feel. With this upgrade, your car's headlights will adapt to every twist and turn, ensuring you always have the best possible view. The road ahead is brighter than you think. 6. Install smart rearview mirrors. Say goodbye to your old rearview mirror and hello to a smart mirror that does so much more than reflect. A smart rearview mirror can display backup camera footage, GPS directions, and even dashcam footage right on your mirror. With this upgrade, you won't just be looking behind you. You'll be seeing more clearly and safely than ever before. Some models even feature night vision and adaptive brightness to ensure you always have the best view, day or night. This simple upgrade can turn your rearview mirror into a technological powerhouse, making your driving experience safer and smarter. Behind you is history, but with smart mirrors, the future is clearer. 7. Add wireless charging for your devices. We all know the struggle of dealing with tangled charging cables, especially in the car. But with wireless charging, that problem is a thing of the past. You can now charge your phone and other devices without any cables, just by placing them on a designated charging pad. This upgrade makes your car more convenient and efficient, allowing you to keep your devices powered up while you're on the go. Plus, it eliminates the mess and clutter of traditional chargers. Many wireless charging pads even feature fast charging capabilities, so your devices are ready to go in no time. Charge without the mess. Technology made simple. 8. Install a hands-free voice assistant. What's better than having your own personal assistant in your car? With a voice assistant, you can control everything from music to navigation with just your voice. Whether it's Google Assistant, Siri, or Amazon Alexa, integrating a voice assistant into your car gives you complete control without taking your hands off the wheel. Need to make a call? Just ask. Want to change the music? No problem. Get directions to the nearest coffee shop? Easy. Your voice assistant is there to help you with everything, making your driving experience more convenient and enjoyable. It's one of the simplest yet most impactful upgrades you can make, and it's perfect for anyone looking to improve their driving experience. Your hands are on the wheel, but your voice is in control. 9. Upgrade to a smart GPS system. Getting lost is a thing of the past with a smart GPS system. These systems not only provide real-time traffic updates and voice-guided directions, but they also adjust your route based on current road conditions. Some systems even offer route optimization, ensuring you take the quickest path possible. With a smart GPS, you'll be able to avoid accidents, traffic jams, and road closures. Plus, you can sync the system with your smartphone, allowing you to make calls or send texts without ever touching your device. It's the perfect upgrade for anyone who spends a lot of time on the road. The road ahead is always clear when you've got the right guidance. 10. Install a smart dash cam. Finally, let's talk about security. A smart dash cam is one of the easiest and most useful upgrades you can add to your car. These cameras record everything happening around your vehicle, providing valuable footage in case of an accident or a theft. Some smart dash cams come with features like motion detection, cloud storage, and real-time video streaming, so you can always keep an eye on your car, even when you're not around. These cams can help protect you from fraudulent claims, provide evidence in case of a crash, and even act as a deterrent for thieves. With a smart dash cam, your car is always protected, and you can drive with peace of mind. When it comes to security, you can never be too careful. And there you have it, 10 simple upgrades that can transform your old car into a smart car. From self-parking systems to smart GPS, each upgrade brings your vehicle into the future, improving safety, convenience, and overall driving experience. So why wait? If you're ready to make your car smarter and safer, check out the links in the description below to get started on these upgrades today. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and car upgrades. Thanks for watching. Your smart car transformation is just one upgrade away. Stay tuned for more amazing videos. Revamp your ride, redefine your drive.